How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To pay off. This is John. He's a YouTube English teacher. He's making videos for his students and subscribers. I've been making videos for weeks and I can't stop. I teach students from all over the world during the day on my website, and at night I teach at a school here in New Jersey. I'm so tired. But to me, it's worth it. I love to help my students. And more good news is that I just hit 1,000 subscribers on Everything English with John. Thanks to my students' support, I found success on YouTube. It's true what they say, hard work really pays off. So now, I should probably go make more videos. The next target number is 10,000 subscribers. If students keep coming, I'll keep making creative videos to cover the whole English language. Thank you so much for your support. Quiz time! What does to pay off mean? To give money, to result in success or a reward, to distribute, to thank your students. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B, to result in success or a reward. Phrasal verb secrets. Payoff can mean to result in success or a reward, often as a result of hard work or effort. It can also mean to complete the payment of a debt. If you pay off your credit card every month, you'll never have debt. Payoff is often used in financial context, but it can also apply to other situations where effort or investment is involved. Just like I invest my time in these videos for you guys. Examples. Her hard work in school really paid off when she got accepted to her dream college. It pays off to work hard at work because you can get a promotion. Sarah's perseverance in learning new skills paid off when she landed her dream job. The long hours and late nights paid off when the team successfully launched the new product. Thanks for watching Everything English with John, and thank you again for 1,000 subscribers. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.